In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collect an SMS list on Shopify using Postscript. This is a valuable skill for any e-commerce store owner looking to boost engagement and drive sales through direct communication with customers. So, let's jump right in and get started. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser, type in Shopify, and hit enter. Ensure you click on the official Shopify link to navigate safely to the platform. Next, log into your Shopify account with your credentials. Enter your email address and password, then click Log In. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself in the Shopify admin dashboard. This is where you can manage your store, so let's head over to the next step. In the bottom left corner of your screen, you will see a gear icon named Settings. Click on Settings to enter the Settings menu. This section allows you to control various configurations for your store operations and customer interactions. Now that you're in the Settings menu, look to the left side of your screen and find the option labeled either Checkout or Checkout and Accounts. Go ahead and click on that. This area allows you to manage how your customers complete their purchases and what information they provide during the process. In this Checkout Settings section, scroll until you find the Marketing options. Here, you will see a checkbox next to SMS. Make sure to check this box. By enabling SMS marketing, you're opening a direct line of communication with your customers, which can be pivotal in driving engagement and conversions. Moving on, you'll also notice a section called Customer Information. Here you can determine whether you want the phone number field for the shipping address to be set as optional or required. Consider your customer base and the importance of collecting this information for your marketing strategies to make an informed decision. Once you've made these adjustments, don't forget the crucial final step, clicking the Save button. Look to the top right corner of your screen and click Save. This ensures that all the changes you've made are securely stored and applied to your Shopify store. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've now successfully set up your Shopify account to collect an SMS list using Postscript. This direct channel of communication is a powerful way to reach your customers, keep them informed about new products, exclusive offers, and much more. Thank you for watching, and happy selling.